Hi guys, good evening mo kay Kile. Huba Elta, Mitakulo. So for today's video, ay meron ako nakitang types of medicines dito sa aking Samsung tablet note. So babasahin natin. And disclaimer guys, hindi po ako perfect magbasa. Hindi rin po ako lang native language tawag dito speaker ha. Okay? Isa po akong tao lamang. Okay? First is we have antibiotic. So it's antibiotic. Okay? Next is antihistaminic. It's antihistamine. Okay? Next is pilere, ehkai, su, pilere. It's a birth control pill. Next is emulsio. It's an emulsion. Next is flonsa lake. It's flu medicine. Next is it's Elma Viva lake. It's flatulence remedy. Next is insulini. It's an insulin. Next is Kipo Geli. It's a pain relief gel. Next is Kipo Lake, Sarco Lake. It's a painkiller. Next is Kipo Voide. It's a pain relief cream. Next is Cholesterol Lake. It's cholesterol medicine. Next is Kume Lake. It's anti-pyretic or fever medicine. Okay. Next is Kulma Voide. It's a cold cream. Next is Kupacaus. It's a snake bite kit. Next is Lihas Relaxantit. It's a muscle relaxants. Next is Lake Healy. It's activated carbon. Next is Maha Hapolake. It's a gastric acid medicine. Then another one is Mito Hapobacterit. It's a lactic acid bacteria. The last one is Masinus Lake. It's antidepressant. So kitos palyon for watching. Thank you for watching and hope meron kayo naintindihan sa types of medicines. No? So thank you and see you on my next video. Oita, meaning to say, or huba, it's good night. Moi moi.